Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing a Draw So Cute summer girl. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. And so now my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in, let's spruce them up with some lashes. So I'm going to come to the sides right here and just add in some lashes. And same thing over here. And just two curves. And then let's see, let's draw her brow. So I'm going to come up about right here and just draw a soft curve over her eye. And same thing on the other side. And then, of course, let's give her a sweet smile. So let's say about right here. Go ahead and draw a curve going up and cap it off. There. So now that we have that, let's frame her face. I'm going to come to the top of her eye, really close to these lashes. I'm just going to give myself a point on both sides. About right here. And then we're just going to draw a curve around the eye. And then I'm going to bring it down towards the center. So I'm just going to find my center and let's say about right here is where I want her chin to be. And I'm just going to bring my curve down to that point and then do the same thing on the other side. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going with my points. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm going to come to the center and let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point and I'm just going to give her some strands. So a long strand here that kind of hits her brow, and then simplify it. We're just going to bring it all the way back to where we started. So same thing here, maybe a little bit shorter. And same thing, and hit her brow if you need to, and just bring it down to where you started. Then from there, let's go ahead and I will just draw my first, let's see here, like a strand of hair. So let's say about right here. I'm gonna just kind of wobble. I'm not gonna go too far because her neck and her shoulder, so let's say about right here. I'll just stop. And I'm going to wobble all the way back up just to create one strand of hair. And same thing over here. Just go on the sides. And then let's go maybe a little bit fuller. And same thing here. Just want to create some volume. And then let's bring it up. So as I come up here, I'm going to kind of slant it a little bit on both sides. And then we're going to round it off at the top. So about right here, bring it up. And come back down to connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, It's always the hardest part, trying to figure out a hairstyle. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and give her a bun at the top. So right about here, I'm just gonna go up and centering it, and then just kind of wobble a little bit. Put in some strands there, and you put like a little hair that's come out. And then on this side, since it's a summer theme, I'm gonna put in a flower. So I'm just gonna wobble this flower in here. Hopefully that looks like a flower when you color it. And some more loose hairs coming out. Okay, so then let's see here. Maybe we can put some strands as well here and there. Just to make it look a little messy. Okay, so now that we have that, let's finally draw her body. So I'm going to come in the center area and give her a little neck. And we're going to come down. Same thing here, coming down to about right there. Then we're going to come, let's see, come down right about here. Skip a little bit of space, but you know what? Skip a little bit of space and let's say about right here, kind of like where her armpit area would be, approximately. And then from there, we're going to just draw a slight angle line out, just slightly. Then from there, we're going to bring this part in to draw her tank top. And just kind of connect it with a curve right about there. And then you can put in some straps. Right there. And if you like, I thought it'd be cute to, I'm not sure if it'll work, but like a little bow on both sides. Since it is summery, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit more and then connect it. And then let's come down, give her a little waist. So let's say about right here. And then we're going to connect it again. And then we can start her skirt. So we're going to pop this out. And I'm giving her a layered skirt. So I'm going to come about right here and I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves going all the way across. Just to give her skirt some volume. And then we're going to pop this part out. So it's kind of roughly. And same thing here. And then this part right here, now that we're about the same level on both sides, just connect it with a bunch of curves all the way across. And then one more layer. And same thing. From there, let's go ahead and draw her legs. So find your center about right here, and we're going to go just a little bit towards the left and towards the right, and just draw this angle line down on both sides. And her hips, her legs will start about right here. So let's work on this side first, and I'm just going to bring a line all the way down. Say about there. Then we're just going to get thinner as we come down for her ankles to about there, and then we can flare it out a little bit. We're just going to give her sandals because it's for summer, right? And connect it. So then let's just do the same thing here before we put in the details. There. And so now let's make them sandals. So I'm gonna put in a little sole at the bottom right here. And then let's maybe crisscross. And maybe I'll strap up here. And you know what? Since we're on a bow theme, let's add a little bow right there. So same thing on this side. Oh, and a big toe and little toe. So same thing here. Wider space there and then 2 smaller ones. So same thing, just add in these stripes. X's, and then another strand here. And a little bow. There. So hopefully that looks very summery. And then for some details, here and there. Just to try and make it look roughly. Okay, so then let's go ahead and draw her arm. So I'll work on this side first since this one's a little bit simpler. And we'll round off her shoulders. Then we're gonna make her arms, her hands come down to her hips. So let's say about right here, and we're gonna bend it to about here, and then her hand. So just go ahead and thicken this up. To wrist, and then down, and a little finger. And before I forget, you can put in some details. Maybe some bunch of bracelets. There, and I'll do some erasing in there. And then on this side, let's bring her hand down. So we're going to round off her shoulder, just like the other side. And then right here, just come down. But right there would be where her elbow is. And then another slight angle coming down. Angle a little bit. Okay, so now this part is a little bit tricky. So we're gonna come right here. So this is her wrist area. She's gonna be holding a phone. So right here, we just want to angle a tiny bit. And then this part is gonna go out, just like her hand. It's gonna go out, and then it's going to angle in a little bit for her thumb. So this is the space that we need to draw the phone in. So come right about here, and I'm going to aim to draw a rectangle using this right angle here. So the thumb's right here. And it's about the phone's about this big. Oh, it's gonna hit my dress, but just make it a little bit thinner then. There. Oh, and then right about here, her thumb, her hand. So here, we need to put in 3 ovals for her fingers, wrapping around the phone. So hopefully I was able to help you, and that looks like a phone. And to make it look like a phone, I guess you could put a little bit of detail here in the top. Then of course when you color it as well. So there. Sorry, hopefully that wasn't too hard. And then some details maybe on the top. Of course I need to add a heart, so I'm going to put one right here. And let's see if we're missing anything. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I can add some more, because it's all about a bunch of bracelets, right? To accessorize on the other hand as well. But that is pretty much it for my new drawing of a Draw So Cute Summer Girl. I really hope you love this one just as much as the one I did a long time ago. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.